Many massage therapists still need to learn how to properly use their forearms when giving a massage. In this video, I will briefly cover the importance of great body mechanics while performing some of my favorite forearm techniques. So body mechanics are extremely important when using your forearms, and the whole purpose of using forearms really is to save your hands. But if you use your body mechanics poorly, you'll end up harming your shoulders and even your back. So really you want to lower your center of gravity, bending your knees, using nice lunges, and doing your very best to keep a very flat back. Many people curve their backs while using their forearms, and that is poor posture for your spine and shoulders and everything else. When you're using your forearms, you really want to do your very best job to use the medius part of the forearm for most of the technique. Every once in a while, like as you see here, you will use the elbow, kind of the bonier part. But for the vast majority of the massage, you will be aiming to use a very broad section of your forearm and the medius part of your muscle as the tool onto your client. So using the forearm is a fantastic way to get effective massage work in. And as you move the client's arm, in this case off the table, really opens up into the latissimus dorsi specifically, and then around the scapula nicely as well as you transition from arm to arm. And really as you use your body mechanics properly, you can see that you can transition from one arm to the next very easily, very smoothly, and the client hardly even feels that you're switching arms. So again, the importance of body mechanics I can't overstate when doing this. You can use both arms at the same time, so 2 forearm techniques as you see here. And then there's some really great, as you get a little bit deeper, so more of a deep tissue forearm technique where you will use your elbow. You can use one hand to kind of guide the elbow to make sure that you have a lot of sensitivity with what you're doing. And this little stroke here, you can see that hand kind of flapping back and forth. That just adds a nice specific technique to release the erector spinae group there. And again, you see my hand here, just kind of a guide. Well, thank you so much for watching today. If you're interested in learning more ways to massage the back, please click or tap the screen now. For more videos about massage, consider subscribing today. And always leave questions you have in those comments down below. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.